learn having clause. Having clause is used to filter the grouped records which have grouped by using group by clause. The having clause In having clause we must use aggregate functions to filter the records. The main purpose of having clause to filter the records. So now we will try to explore difference between where clause and having clause. Where clause is used for filtering the records. Having clause is also used for filtering the records. Then what is the difference between where clause and having clause? First difference. Where clause is used to filter indivisible records. Group by having clause. Having clause having clause having clause is used to filter the grouped records. This is the first difference. Second one, in where clause we should not use aggregate functions to filter the records. In having clause we should use aggregate functions to filter the records. Third difference, where clause should be used before group by clause. In the having clause should be used after the group by clause. So it is a mandatory one. Once after group by clause only we can use having clause. Otherwise we can't able to use having clause. Now we will open the database. Yes, use GenTechDB. Now we can go for system CLS. Run a query. Select star from EMP. Okay, we have a records now. So we should apply. So before writing the query, we should write the syntax first. A complete syntax. Complete syntax. So this is the same syntax. Afterwards we should apply having aggregate functions with condition. This is the complete syntax of which one? Our group by clause. Group by clause along with the having clause. So after the group by only we can use having clause. Remember, at any point we can't able to use having clause independently. So we can execute one particular query. What is the query means? So this is the one. So job wise display minimum and maximum salary, where minimum salary is greater than 1000. So again I would like to write select job comma min of sal comma max of sal from EMP group by job. So it will provide this particular records. So we are supposed to write a query in this way where min of sal is greater than 1000. It means it was eliminating the clerk. So the same query we can write one more time. Group by job having min of sal is greater than equal to 1000. So as soon as if we can run the query, so it won't display clerk record because clerk record contains minimum salary less than 1000 only. So it won't display the clerk table. See, except clerk, job is clerk, it was displaying the remaining records. This is the way we should use which one? Having clause to filter the grouped records. Thank you.